Hi guys, it's Pachingas Kamon, and today we are going to make a blueberry jam. So first we need to have blueberries. So we just arrived from summer house, and yesterday and today we've harvested blueberries fresh from the forest. We just picked it yesterday and today. Strawberry. That's not a strawberry, it's blueberries. We need 2 kilos of blueberries. And of course, we need this syltepulver for stiver och syltetøy to thicken our jam. It is with conserveringsmiddel. Okay, and of course we need sugar. So from this pack, for 1 pack of this jam syltepulver, it's jam powder, we need 2 kilos of blueberries and 500 grams to 1 kilo of sugar in this one. So but I think I'm gonna use only 500 grams for 2 kilos of blueberries. So let's start. To start, let's cook this blueberries for just it says a certain period. Okay, maybe we'll just cook and allow it to boil and then turn it off. Guys, we just cooked the blueberries for about 2 minutes and then pour our jam powder and let's mix it together. After we mix together, we're gonna cook this for around 2 minutes again. After 2 minutes, take it out from the stove and then pour the sugar and mix it together and pour it to our container. That's it, guys. Our blueberries jam, blueberry today.